Hello everybody, welcome to my Bitcoin daily update. So straight into the chart. I'm going to make this really quick as I can possibly make it. Just a very short update. Hopefully I can get this covered within 5 minutes. So this is the Bitcoin chart right now. And what I want to do is, my focus at the minute is we are sideways and we are inside this parallel channel. The way I'm going to do it this morning is I'm just going to replay and take it back. So I'm just going back quite a few days and just see how this played out. So we just press play on that. Once we were in this channel, we had the 3 pivot points, 1, 2 and 3. So we were aiming up for the top of the channel as the target to take a short trade. And we'll just see how that goes. While that's just moving up, there we go, we got the touch. We got the second touch before we started to make our way down. Now I'm just going to pause it for a second. So there we go. This was the short trade that we entered. And what we were looking for is, are we going to come back down? We did have some levels down here to think about. That was a weekly level. We also had a 618 Fibonacci to the 0.66, giving us some confluence down here. We'll just keep playing, see how this worked out. Eventually we did come down to the midline of the channel, and then we got the big drop. I do believe we came back up and tested this midline. Sorry, no, I'll just pause that there. What we did do is we got a bounce on the 618, straight up to the midline. Possible trade for somebody who ever trades from the Fibonacci 618. That was an 11% move. So at this stage, we've not touched this weekly level. We do have some liquidity below these, so we might even come lower. But really all eyes at this stage is, are we going to come back down, touch this weekly level? So if we just play it on. And there we go. We get the touch on the weekly, and that's where we are right now. So if we just look at this, put the touch onto that weekly level, absolutely beautiful, giving us what was a 7% move. Really nice bounce. And so the next question is, the bounce stopped here, about 40,385. So we want to know, why did that bounce up to there, and why did it get a rejection from there? Well, what we had also in this area was this daily level. You can see that these candles closed there, giving us our fresh daily. It looks like it didn't quite touch, but that's close enough. So that is one reason why we rejected from this level. And then if we just look at, I'll just take it down to a 4-hour chart a second. And then we can see, if we just put on our fixed range tool, taking it from over here all the way to there, the confluence on the daily is you've got a point of control, which is this red line here, which is giving you, as you can see here, that's where the most volume has been traded, is right on that line. And that's exactly why, if you were taking a position from down here, then this is where you want to be taking profits. If you weren't swing trading, you can be completely out, but you certainly should be taking some profits here, as you would expect a pullback from here. And just by adding on that fib pull from up here to down here, we also had the 0.5 Fibonacci. So we actually had 3 reasons to reject from here. So where do we go from now? Well, my focus is still we're between the daily is the resistance, the weekly is support. We do have herself still within this parallel channel, but at the minute we're in this we're in between this level here, 40,400 to 37,800. We're in this area, and that's your daily update. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks.